let's have a look here. Oops. Okay, sorry. The base of a triangle is shrinking at a rate. Okay, so this is 22. The base of a triangle is shrinking at a rate of 1 centimeter a minute. So d dt equals minus 1 centimeter a minute, and the height is increasing. The h dt is increasing. That's 5 centimeters a minute. Find the rate at which the area of the triangle changes at that height and base. Okay, so the area is a half the base by the height, and the time derivative of the area using the product rule will be a half times the time derivative of the base times the height plus a half the base times the time derivative of the height. So that would be a half base, so that's minus h plus a half the base times that, so plus the half I've taken out 5. Don't mix up my b's and h's, that's the h. So 5b. So it's 5 times b and minus 1 times h, and then that's a half. The height is 22 and the base is 50. So it's just going to be 50 minus 22 divided by 2, and that will be 14 centimeters squared per minute. Okay, 23. A triangle has two constant sides of length 3 feet and 5 feet. The angle between these two sides is increasing at a rate of 0.1 radian a second. Okay, so you have a triangle here, and this is a constant 3 feet, and this is a constant 5 feet, and this angle here, theta, the theta dt is increasing at 0.1 radians a second. Find the rate at which the area of the triangle is changing. Okay, so the area is a half, this is a trig rule, a half, 3 times 5 times sine theta. So dA d theta will be 15 over 2 cos theta, and it's when it is pi over 6. Let's have a look. That is 15 root 3 over 4. And the area, I guess it would be feet squared per... No, that doesn't... No, I have to be careful here because... And that's interesting. Is it find the rate at which the area of the triangle is changing with respect to time? I think it must be, since they didn't specify the angle. So I actually have to be a little bit careful here. So dA dt, that would be dA d theta dt. Not fully thinking, it's been a few months since I've done these. D theta dt, so that would be 0.1 times a half 3 5 and cos when the theta is pi over 6. So I just forgot about the 0.1, so it's actually 3 root 3 over 8, which, if you're wondering, as a decimal is 0.6495 roughly. Feet squared per second. Okay, that seems better.